Our war is not for our fate. We fight to remove all foreign power from our soil.
We are Al-Qatala.
We are the killers. We fight without sorrow. We wage war without sympathy. This is the only way to live and die a true soldier.
Echo 3-1 to Charlie 2 actual.
Go for actual.
LZ is in sight.
Looks like our boys are right on time, Colonel.
Roger 3-1. Hitman teams are locked and loaded for assault. You are green to go.
Colonel, we may have a problem.
Too late, Laswell. We're live.
Not until I say so. Watch it at 3-1, how copy?
Station Chief Laswell, send traffic.
General Barkov has sent a new shipment of chlorine gas to his depot. But his mercs are prepping to move the chems into Urzikstan via convoy tonight. You're still clear to engage, but live fire on Russian military is prohibited. We cannot have an international incident.
No guarantees Russian army won't respond on this case.
Understood, Alex. Just locate the gas, commandeer Barkov's trucks, and get off the X before the tide turns.
Copy, Watcher. We'll handle it. Let's move.
All Hitman teams push to your set point. Roger, over.
We need to keep this on a tight loop. Barkov's men are moving the gas tonight.
What are the odds we run into General Barkov? Russian general wouldn't be caught dead out here. Psst, heads up.
Я слышал! За гребнем!
Hearing two. Looking for us. Two mercs, no uniforms.
Я что-то слышу. Сейчас. Эй! Кто здесь? Выйди! Покажись!
They're game. Drop them.
We're clear. Copy. Post up on the ridge and let's get the lay of the land. Echo 3-1 to Blue Viking 5. Call for fire. Stand by for target confirmation.
Copy, 3-1. Viking is standing by.
Let's recce the area and make sure there's no Russian army down there. People coming in the main gate.
Movement in the rail yard.
That's how the gas comes in.
One in the tower. Left side high, not army.
Vehicles on the move. Roll your glass over the main gate.
Target's in the loading depot. Eyes on.
Copy. Checkpoint, that's the entry. No Russian military presence. Call it in, CIA.
Blue Viking 5, this is Echo 3-1. Troops in the open, south gate. You are cleared hot.
Roger, 3-1. Target acquired. Weapons free in 5 seconds.
5 seconds.
Echo 3-1. Good effect on target. Viking is RTB. Good hunting.
Much obliged, Viking. We'll take it from here.
Heads up. Multiple guns on foot. Hold up. Let him approach.
Найдите их и убейте, иначе генерал убьет нас. Рассредоточиться! Если что увидите, стреляйте!
Smoke him down.
Clear. Force up. Looks like someone was playing with fire.
Serves him right, hawking this chemical shit.
Put them out of their misery. Finish them off.
Don't worry, on me.
Now.
Element of surprise is not on our side, boys. Stay frosty. Stay sharp. We're blind on this breach.
Contact! Man down! Got an empty nest on that second deck! Come in! Lay some pressure to get up there! Good suppression! Flank up and take him out!
Force out. We need to secure the gas before they move it.
Movement! Got a visual! Move! Go! Got one! 20 meters out! Got a visual! Cover! Roger that! Move when his lights offline! Got a runner! I don't see him! Move! Go! Roger that! Enemy southwest of us! Enemy 10 meters out! Raj, I see him! What's in the open? Стой! Перезаряжаю! Let's move! I see one 30 meters out! What's in the open? Got a target! Target down! Barrier! Let's move! No visual! Press him and close your distance! I'm reloading! What's by that barrier? Got a target! Got him out in light! Watch his aim point! Rock, I see him! I need cover! Between the buildings! Got a target! Hey! Highlights off! Flank up on it! Change the mag! Cover! Get up there! See what's in the barrier! Southwest! Got a visual! Got an enemy southeast!
MG down!
Got an enemy southeast! Suppress that MG! Get up! Loading! Movement! I don't see him! Throwing frag! Got an enemy southeast! Hey!
MG down!
Nicely done, CIA!
I got one, 20 meters out! No visual! Get moving! Enemies west of our position! Target down! What's in the open? Let's move! Clear!
Gas must be inside.
Unless we're too late. Clear! Clear! Clear!
Chems may be inside. Masks up. Let's do this.
They killed the power.
Go white light. On me.
It's pitch black in here. You hear that? Whoever killed the powers in here, I'm telling you. Could have been the airstrike. Shit!
Find him! Contact! He's down!
Got him!
Moving on the catwalk! Got one moving to the left! We lost him.
All clear. Let's get the power up. Shed some light, find this gas.
Roger, 3-1.
Light's coming on.
Eyes up.
Hey! We got a problem. These guys are Russian army.
Spetsnaz.
3-1 to Watcher. Barkov's hired guns or Spetsnaz. We got Russian army KIA. We need to bug out now.
Negative. Command wants mission accomplished on this. Not our choice.
Never is. 3-1 out.
Verify this is what we came for. We'll set the trucks for egress.
Jackpot. PID in the gas.
Solid copy, 3-1. Load up and get back to base.
Roger that. Let's move out.
Take shotgun.
All stations, we are Oscar Mike to the RV. Watch your sectors.
Good work, Alex. Rally at the hook point for egress. Watcher to 3-1, how copy? Alex, do you read? Over.
I got you, 3-1. Who the fuck is this?
Sidi, answer. Manorusi. Marines. American. Lazim nitarak. Paran. Tarak ko. Jala. Jala, jala.
Echo 3-1 to Watcher.
Alex, what happened?
Terrorist attack. Multiple Marines KIA. Gas stolen. We need evac now.
Roger. Tracking multiple Russian forces headed your way. Sit tight. We're pushing to you for fast exfil. Watcher out.
This operation is now compartmentalized.
What the hell does that mean?
Means you no longer have clearance, Colonel.
Those are my Marines. We need a QRF in there right now.
That's not advisable.
And that is not your call.
Colonel, Laswell.
General, my men...
Norris, give us a minute.
Yes, ma'am.
We've got a situation. The Kremlin has suspended all deconfliction channels. The Sixth Fleet is pushing into the Black Sea, and chemical weapons are now in the wild. Your fingerprints are all over this, Laswell. Fix it.
General, right now intelligence is our best weapon.
We've tried intelligence. Get me a better weapon.
John,
Laswell.
where are you?
Occupied.
I've got a problem.
Russians?
Word travels fast. Chemical weapons have fallen into terrorist hands. They could be anywhere. Paris, New York.
London.
When can you brief?
We just did.
Sergeant Garrick, roger up.
Go for Garrick.
Terror threat level is now critical. Possible multiple attackers. Bombers or something worse.
Do we have snipers in position?
Negative, Sergeant. Can't unduly alarm the public.
Terrorists know that too, sir.
Garrick, don't turn London into a war zone, clear?
Yeah, Crystal. Out.
Looks like we're on our own, lads.
We'll handle it. Let's get it done, yeah?
Hey, firm.
Sergeant? Heads up. White van.
Weapons in view.
That's them. Saber to Raven. White van, multiple military-age males. Weapons visible. Moving to intercept.
Roger. Unless an attack is imminent, do not engage.
White van, left side. Go, go!
They're here, brothers! They're here! Come here! Go!
Don't fucking move!
Police, freeze!
Whoa, whoa!
Get your hands up now!
Get down on the ground! Make Not gonna tell you again!
Suspect.
Saber 2, what the hell is going on down there?
There's been a detonation at Piccadilly Circus. Shots fired, officers down. We need medical down here now.
Let's move.
Let's take that fire! Yeah! Side on!
Saber 2, what the hell is going on down there?
There's been a detonation at Piccadilly Circus. Shots fired, officers down. We need medical down here now.